The purpose of discussion is to identify the problem and also suggest ways and means to answer the problem and create a favorable atmosphere in the society so that there is social harmony in the society and then we move forward. Sir, after independence, we are now celebrating 70th year. During this 70th year, we are discussing these issues. It's really a shame to the entire system. It's a challenge to all of us, including me, my party, my government, your party, your governments, all parties. Because it is not simple one state. If you try to confine it to one state, if you try to confine it to one political party, that means you are doing injustice to the community, to the issue. And then you are trying to score brownie political points. And the cause is lost. This is what has been happening all these years. Sir, the framers of the Constitution, the great leaders who are instrumental in getting this freedom, they gave us the Constitution, the best in the world. They gave us the reservation. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar has shown the way, and he has clearly told us at that time, till economic empowerment is given to the people, till education is provided to the people, these sections cannot match the competition with others. That is the thrust. And we have made progress. The earlier government, or this government, or in between the other governments also, everybody has done their bit. I am not going into that. But my point is, today, we are trying to discuss it as if it is happening simply because this Prime Minister is there, or this particular state is there. It will be totally wrong, unfair to attribute it to one state.
Correct.
One. Secondly, it's totally unfair to target a particular party and government or a leader, and particularly a leader who has dedicated his entire life for the cause of the downtrodden. The third point I want to make is, sir, please, what is happening in the villages? Where the question of untouchability. Is it to confine to one party? Is it confined to one region? Is it to confine to one place? One party rule? Let us put that question to ourselves. Is it happening because a particular party is there? That has happened in Gujarat today? What happened yesterday in Gujarat earlier? What happened in Maharashtra? What happened in Madhya Pradesh? What happened in Karnataka? What happened in Andhra Pradesh? What is happening in Uttar Pradesh? Is it not an issue for all of us to introspect and get answers, rather than trying to put it as a political issue and then blame somebody? You may be achieving a temporary benefit of getting a headline, but that headline cannot be a deadline to end this. The main line is to address the social problem. We have to eradicate this malady of untouchability from the society itself. For that, you have to create awareness among the people. Are we doing it? Should we not do it at least now? One is, sir, creating awareness. Second is bringing the bills. There are enough bills. You must also have political will and also have administrative skill to implement the same and create proper climate in the society rather than putting one community against the other community. This is what some of the people are trying to do. That's where I am pained. So in spite of my little difficulty in speaking, why I want to interfere in this is, we should really compete in developmental activities. We should really compete in empowering these vulnerable sections. We should focus on Antyodaya, uplifting the poorest of the poor, as said by Dr. Baba Sahib and also Mahatma Gandhi ji and Deen Dayal Upadhyay ji. In that, we should have competition. But what we are doing is some incident happening. We make a beeline, we go there and have a photo opportunity and also get it published widely, forget, next waiting for an opportunity, where to go, next place. And then, while doing the political pilgrimage also, we are not covering our own ruled states. If something happened in your state where an opposition party is ruling, you don't go there because you don't want it to be highlighted. You want to go only to Gujarat because Gujarat is ruled by a particular party. The question I am asking is, earlier during the election, before election, heinous incident has happened in Kerala. A girl was raped and murdered. Brutal. Nobody visited. Not many. There was incidents in Karnataka where police officers were... चिंता मत करिए।
प्लीज प्लीज
What you sit down here? You sit down. Mister. Yeah, I know that.
Please.
You have come to the point. So, Tawarchand Gehlot have visited, not the other leader who has gone for photo opportunity to Hyderabad. He has not visited. That's what the point I am saying. So, if something happens in a state ruled by a particular party, the other party leader visited that state. If something happens in this party, then other party leader comes here. By question, you have misunderstood me. I was saying, yes. No, thank you, sir, for your permission. Thank you. The house, Mr. Tawarchand Gehlot. Why are you disturbed, Karnakaran? Why are you disturbed, please? Please, bear with us. Please bear with us. Mr. Tawarchand Gehlot has been asked by the House for information. Rajya Sabha. You put that question to your leader. Why your leader, who has gone to Hyderabad, could not go to Kerala? Why he has not gone to Bulandshahr? Why he has not gone to other places? Why only Unnao and then Hyderabad Central University? Why not other places? Because they were ruled by your party. You did not go there. I am putting this question to myself also, to all parties, to Haryana. Yes, that's what I am trying to say. This is what I am trying to say. When something happened during your regime in Haryana, you are quiet and silent. If something happens during my rule in Haryana, you are becoming violent. That is the problem I am highlighting. So my point is, let us not try to do this. Let us not do this. Let us not have exceptions. Let us condemn the incidents. Let us disassociate ourselves with such heinous crimes. Let us create social awareness among the people. Let us take administrative steps. Let us strengthen the hands of the administrative machinery. Sir, this government, led by Sri Narendra Modi, Deputy Chairman, Speaker, sir, has taken that historical legislation of prevention of atrocities against the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. This government have done it. Secondly, sir, I am not elaborating all the other measures. The Prime Minister has taken a novel scheme, keeping this point, funding the unfunded, financing the unfinanced, banking the unbanked, and reaching the unreached. That is the principle of this government. That's how this government has become popular among the people. You are worried, you are concerned, and the people, ये situation यहाँ, वो situation वहाँ, इसलिए हो गया. You try to understand. Sir, Deputy Speaker, I want to put on record. See the record of the Lok Sabha. The highest number of scheduled caste MPs. This side. The highest number of scheduled tribe MPs. The highest number of scheduled tribe MPs from this side. The highest number of backward caste MPs from this side. The record in India's history. The record in India's history. And if you want to know further statistics, why? And the parties, this is the problem. This is the problem, sir.
RBI is also this side. RBI is also this side.
This is the problem with them. Truth is unpalatable to them. Sir, the highest number of scheduled caste MPs. Mr. Suresh, talk to the chair. Know how to conduct yourself in the house.
Please, thank you.
रामविलास पासवान नहीं दिख रहे क्या?
No. You have all ministers of your government who are scheduled caste. I agree with you. That's why, sir.
Please.
What are you talking here, sir? You ask them to sit down, sir.
Please.
Next time.
Yes, now
Madam Speaker.
Yes, sir.
अभी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो 19 मंत्री बनाए हैं उसमें 5 शेड्यूल कास्ट के हैं
प्लीज
और 3 शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स हैं.
यस
Madam Speaker, Madam
Now,
Speaker,
please,
Madam Speaker.
Venkaya ji, how much time you will take? Because actually we have
No,
announced.
we have to
at
extend
6
time,
o'clock
ma'am, because
reply.
it's a larger issue.
So please,
Please keep it in mind.
please now try to conclude.
Look, if you can make them to not to intervene, then I can.
That I will see. You please, it is not your question.
So my point is
Yes.
that this government is committed to the welfare of the weaker sections and downtrodden.
Yes.
This Prime Minister today is considered as the messiah of the poor, particularly scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. You go to any corner of the country and people who have given the slogans. Now today I saw in the media one leader said Modi's image is getting dented. It is being painted. Paint can be removed, sir.
Yes.
Paint can be removed because Mr. Narendra Modi, by his actions, गांव गरीब किसान मजदूर महिला युवा इन वर्गों के बारे में जो ऐतिहासिक कदम उन्होंने उठाया, इतिहास में इसका कोई उदाहरण नहीं है। इसलिए मेरा कहना है इस देश में नारा देने वाले कौन है? तिरक तराजू तलवार, उनको मारो जूते चार। किसने कहा? किसने कहा? So let us not rake up further social tensions. Let us try to bring together these communities. Let us all join together to fight this evil. Let us all come together to end these atrocities. Let us have political will. Let us come together and let us send a declaration. This is not acceptable. Something happening in your state, good. Something happening in my state, bad. This approach has to be given up. If you want to really serve, you should serve the people. And you have seen what happened in Hyderabad. People are quoting that Hyderabad Central University Secretary, who belongs to SFI, he has resigned from his post and made allegations. This agitation is funded by the Congress and the left. That is the allegation. I have the letter. I can authenticate and place it on the table of the House. So, keeping that in mind, I can authenticate the data. So, Madam, truth is unpardonable.
Please. Venkaya ji, 1 minute.
So, what I am trying to suggest is,
Please, 1 minute.
you cannot use the House.
कांग्रेस जिम्मेदार है दलित अत्याचार के लिए।
Please, 1 minute, सुनो. It is already 6 o'clock.
So, Madam, I have the letter with me.
Please, 1 minute.
I
It
can
is 6
sign and
o'clock.
give it to City
Venkaya ji,
Center.
1 minute, please. It is 6 o'clock. Please. 6 बज चुके हैं। अगर आप सबकी सहमति हो तो मैं 1 घंटे के लिए सदन का समय बढ़ा देती हूँ, मगर 1 घंटे में हमें कंप्लीट करना है। सभी लोग बोलने वाले ध्यान रखें। प्लीज प्लीज बोलेंगे, सब बोलेंगे। यस वेंकैया जी,
Madam Speaker,
बोलेंगे ना? नाउ प्लीज।
Madam Speaker,
यस प्लीज कंक्लूड।
Madam Speaker,
आप बोलने तो दो।
Madam Speaker,
एक बात ध्यान में रखो, केवल ऐसा करने से समय नहीं पूरा होगा। बोलने दोगे तो मैं सबको बराबर समय दे दूंगी। नो, दिस इज नॉट द वे। व्हाई यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग? प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, व्हाई यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग? प्लीज प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब।
It is the end of the day.
आप बैठिए,
Democracy functions by numbers.
बैठिए।
You can't just spit and then run away. You have to accept the reality also, get the response also.
Please conclude
The concluding part of my speech is, ma'am, I don't want. I in fact wanted to
Okay,
speak for only
please,
for
please.
4 or 5 minutes because I was not well. But some of my friends, they wanted
Why?
to
Yes.
engage with me. My suggestion is.
Don't answer anything.
My suggestion is.
Yes. Please conclude. Yes, please.
Subbarao, Apparao,
You
they will
don't
take care of
answer
themselves.
anybody.
Let us
Please,
take care of our
please.
Dalit brothers. Don't unnecessarily divert.
You address to
and,
chair only, don't
try to
answer
cover
anybody.
these sins.
Yes.
Madam Speaker, let us not politicalize this issue.
Yes, you are
One.
right.
Secondly, these are not incidents that has to be condoned by anybody. Thirdly, let us not give particular political color to this, thereby do injustice to those sections. And fifthly, lastly, there is a need to create social awareness among the society, and it's a challenge to all of us, to that side and this side. We should all introspect and find out honest and effectively deal with this situation because
Yes. Thank
50
you.
years you have ruled and ruined the country.
Now this is not fair.
50
I'm
years
sorry, nothing
you have
will
ruled
go
the
on
country and
record.
ruined the country. Had you done it,
Please.
this situation would not have been there.
Yes.
Had you done it, this
Please.
situation would not have been there. Thank you very
Yes.
much.
मुझे और भी खुशी हो गई जो बात उनको चीफ मिनिस्टर थे जो समझ में नहीं आई, अब प्रधानमंत्री बनने के बाद वो बात समझ में नहीं आई, इसीलिए मैं उनको धन्यवाद देता हूँ।